Children, let's move further. What is the next question? The next question says tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 is sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. We start with our LHS. You must be wondering that Sir is taking all the sums via LHS. As I stated, there are many sums which will be done by both the ways, and there are many sums which will be done from RHS to LHS. Mind you, this sum can be done via RHS to LHS also, but we are taking LHS and solving for RHS. Once again, I would like to give you some technique. What exactly I'm going to do in this kind of sum? Children, I'm going to look at my RHS. Not only I'm going to look at my LHS, I'm going to look at my RHS also simultaneously. What do I see in my LHS? Tan theta upon sec theta plus 1, whereby which within my RHS, in my RHS, within the numerator, I want sec theta minus 1. In the RHS side, I want in the numerator sec theta minus 1. I wanted, children, and I said in my earlier videos also, when I want it, that means I'll simply multiply. So that tells me multiply by sec theta minus 1 in numerator also and denominator also. I gave you the explanation. What makes me write down this particular step? What makes me? Why are we writing this particular step? So what happens when I say tan theta upon sec theta plus 1? Here also sec theta minus 1, sec theta minus 1. Mind you, this is into. Now children, we'll be left with tan theta into sec theta minus 1. I'm just writing this as it is. And if I see the denominator, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, sec square theta minus 1. And when I say sec square theta minus 1, then tan theta here as it is, sec theta minus 1, sec square theta minus 1, tan square theta. Reason? What is the reason? Since 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, therefore sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Don't you think so that this tan theta and this one of the tan theta gets cancels off? When we have tan square theta, that means there are two tan theta. One tan theta gets cancels off. I'm left with one more, sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. That's what my RHS is. Now children, there must be many students right now who must be wondering that, sir, you said in the starting of the video that this can be solved via RHS also and we can come to LHS. Absolutely on the same line. I give the answer, children. I have given the answer. What was there in my LHS? Sec theta plus 1 in the denominator, tan theta in the numerator. What I wanted in my RHS? Sec theta minus 1. That was the reason I multiplied by sec theta minus 1. Had I started with RHS, this is what our RHS is, I would have looked at my LHS. So if this is my RHS, I would have certainly looked at my LHS. My LHS says that I want sec theta minus 1 over here in the denominator. So had I gone from RHS to LHS, I would have multiplied sec theta minus 1 in the denominator, so that I get sec theta minus, I would multiply by sec theta plus 1 in the denominator. And if I do that, again I'm going to get exactly reverse process and I can solve my sum. Hope you got it.